What's up, dudes? Welcome back to another reaction. Today, what we're gonna be reacting to is YTP. Paula Peen makes Hardee cake. Pizza by YT Poop. Now, I haven't reacted to a YT Poop video in a little while now. It's like 5 months or so since I last did a reaction to one. Yeah. Anyways, guys, the original link is down in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe to YT And anyways, guys, let's begin.
What kid doesn't love pizza?
Well, I love pizza, so I love pizza, so
That's right. So we're gonna have us a Hardee's honey vegetable pizza. Get our oven out the crust for us.
Honey vegetable. What?
And I'm gonna start pizza. Get our oven out the crust for us. And I'm gonna start slicing up our fridge.
Okay.
I'm just using store-bought shit. And I'm gonna off our veggies.
Oh, that sounds
Because you know
delicious.
pizza, it cooks.
It does.
So we don't want pizza. Halala.
Okay.
And you be as gay as I know you are. Or are.
It's great because I've gotten to learn from her, gotten tips. I think it's gonna show kids my age that you can have tips in the kitchen.
I'm ready to get this over with, though.
Okay.
All right, this squash is f***ing good. Yeah, right. All right, now I'm ready to put you back on the fire now.
Okay.
Would you rather have a sauce or would you rather have a ram?
Maybe ran.
Marinara,
So I'd say
marinara, marinara,
I can't wait.
marinara.
Boom, you're done.
now we've got an 8-ounce cup of ranch cream. So I'd say 50.
50?
8 minutes. What? All right, you want to cut or you want to cut?
Ladies first.
This is the time of truth. You're really
See, I mean, I wish I would come when I was in
Well, honey,
elementary
if
school.
you lived with Granny Paula, you could. I maybe taught him that there's more than one way to come by accident. So if you would come down here...
What the flip, dude? I was gonna say, wow, that escalated really fast. There's one way to really fast. What? Oh, come on, man.
Put it in, baby.
Alrighty. Oh, yeah. Ooh,
Oh, look at it running out.
Juicy. That was skill right there.
Wasn't that skill?
That was skill right there. That was skill.
Wasn't that skill?
Skill.
Skill.
It was amazing.
Please burn your mouth. I'm gonna shit right here while it cools. Hey y'all, it's y'all.
So thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you guys go subscribe to YT Poop. And yeah, this was a pretty good YTP. Was that her grandson? That has to be her grandson, cause in the middle, towards the end, she said, Grandma Paula. She said Grandma Paula. So that must have been her grandson, but I don't know. Anyways, guys, the original link is down in the description. Make sure you guys go subscribe to YT Poop. And anyways, guys, let's begin! Oh, wait. That's my intro! Oh my word! Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time.